I think this bird is okay now. I wonder if it's just... You okay, bird?
What's wrong with it? Pick it up. Let me see the back.
Hold this. I'm fucking sweating.
What's wrong with it? Look, pick it up. Like, let me see under.
Oh, shut the fuck up, dude. That's fucking small as body.
Oh. Let it go.
I'm scared it's gonna fall.
Throw it.
I don't think I can fly. Hey, can you fly, birdie?
I feel bad throwing it and then it hits the ground.
I think it's ready to fly.
Why are you looking at its booty hole?
Because it moves it. You okay, birdie? You okay? Should I take this?
Sure.
How are we gonna take it?
Yeah. Just don't drop it.
I think this bird. You okay? You okay? Oh, wait.
You just see a hawk. Chill, my God. I think it
wants to fly.
Don't let it. Don't let it. Don't let it drop.
I'm moving its head around.
We'll put it like right here and then let it try to fly.
Come. Go.
No.
She's gonna get eaten by ants.
Birds don't have dicks out of it. My bad.
My bike! My phone was in there.
What?
I want to take this bird back home.
Oh.
My fucking jacket, what the fuck, nigga?
Sorry. Here, I'll put it on mine.
Yeah. I think this bird likes me now.
Poke it.
Oh shit, I could open the speaker a little. That's a Sharpie. What do birds eat?
These nuts.
Seeds, nuts. This is so cool. I want to take this home. I wonder if I'm riding on a bike and it's gonna go like. Okay. I'm gonna take this.
Yeah, let's take it. Just put it in this jacket.
You ready?
Should we?
I don't know.
It's all wet.